Hey guys, welcome to another Ready Yeti First Look. I'm Matt, and this week we're going to be checking out Hemp Fusion. Hemp Fusion is a CBD brand that makes tinctures, capsules, and topical creams. Obviously, based on the name alone, their products are meant to deliver CBD in a way that's healthy and helpful to the consumer. Now, Hemp Fusion as a brand, they specifically look at CBD and the CBD delivery system as a whole foods system. So when you get one of their products, you're really not just getting a hard CBD product. There are other supporting ingredients that help give it that extra boost so that it's more effective in what it's trying to do. Obviously, for stress, there's ingredients that are catered to help reduce some of that stress. I'd say Hemp Fusion is perfect for anyone who's interested in CBD or wants more of a specific result from their CBD use. If you're looking for a CBD product and you're looking for an extra boost to give you a more focus and effect, I would definitely recommend Hemp Fusion, especially if you're new to the CBD scene and want to try something that will specifically help a issue you've been dealing with, stress, energy, or sleep, something like that. They do have a wide variety of products, so if you're looking for something other than a stress-reducing product, I highly recommend going to Hemp Fusion's website and checking out what they have to offer. That's it for our first look of Hemp Fusion's Stress. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like this video and leave a comment below letting us know what you think of Hemp Fusion. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel so you can stay up to date with the newest first looks coming out every week. And if you haven't already, check out the Ready Yeti membership where you can save up to 50% off thousands and thousands of products from some incredible brands just like Hemp Fusion. That's it for now, and stay tuned for another Ready Yeti First Look coming at you next week.